Hi, it's Afgan. I'm a singer-songwriter from Indonesia, and this is...
Reza, I'm a master of ceremony, podcaster. Well, basically, I'm just doing things for fun. We are
Team Afgan. We have the same taste in humor.
It's like a niche market comedy.
Yes. Oh, that's a good way of putting it.
Thank you. We make a good team because we are like yin and yang.
Compliment each other.
Exactly. So that's why I think we're going to be team winner. Is to do nothing. Just sleeping in front of like majestic view like beaches or mountains, right?
Yes.
Hey, Team Ishana.
Hey, Team Ishana.
Ciao. But you know what? We're still family.
Still family. To all of our fans who is watching right now, just wanna say hello.
I think it's your fans, yeah, not mine. But please support Team Afgan right now so that we can win this competition, please.
Thank you so much.
AFGAN, like A, like
For
hey.
always. F is for frickin'.
G
is for good and greatness.
right, and
A is for ah.
And the winner is
Yes.
AXN Ultimate Challenge Indonesia. World premiere November 25th on AXN.